Have you ever noticed how quickly negative energy can take over a room? It might sound like side comments, low morale, or that subtle shift where people seem checked out before the week even begins. That energy impacts everything: focus, collaboration, trust, and ultimately performance. As a leader, you don't just walk into that energy, you influence it. So what do you do when you feel it? The first step is to pause, take a breath. Before reacting to the room, ground yourself, and then ask, what energy do I want to lead with this week? Calmness, clarity, openness. And from there, take one small intentional action. Maybe you acknowledge the tension instead of ignoring it. Maybe you open the conversation differently. Maybe you slow down the pace of the meeting so people have time to actually think. Because shifting energy isn't about fixing everything at once. It's about leading with intention, especially when it matters most. And when you do that, you don't just change the mood. You change how your team shows up, connects, and performs. For more tools to become a more resilient leader, check out my YouTube channel, like and subscribe.